Now, if you have any question, you ask.
कनाडा में एक लड़का है, उसने जो है आपको देखा है अभी और उसने बहुत सारी चीज़ें डिस्क्राइब की आपके बारे में। आप वहाँ नहीं थे तभी।
He has not seen me or what?
He is his nephew.
Huh?
He is Shaman's nephew.
Acha, he's not seen me before?
He has not seen you before.
Where is he? Toronto? Quebec. I have not been there, but could be possible. He is a great soul. It's possible. If you see me in dreams, it's good, very good. See me in dreams. You must be seeing me in dreams, I think.
He stated in his that when he saw you, you mentioned that he was an angel before. बोल रहा है कि उसने बताया कि आपको देखा है, आपने उससे कहा कि वो एंजल था पहले।
Could be. Now I give up. You see, so much is happening. We had some photographs taken in Jaipur. So I'm not there at all. I mean, I'm just all vibrations everywhere. You have to see very microscopically. I'm somewhere, my face shows. See, these vibrations are sometimes you cannot explain. Have you seen all the vibration photographs? So much. With deity sitting, this, that. I give up now. Because this is all done by Param Chaitanya, it can do anything. These vibrations might appear in some mosques, in some temples, might. First fix it up, the one you have got it, alright? Now don't go on futuristic things, then you will become Mahayogi. You grow automatically, spontaneously, in a sahaja way, when you are in thoughtless awareness. Try to increase that area, thoughtless awareness. Then you will automatically grow. Does this flower think how to grow? No. Grow spontaneously, alright? In the same way you will grow. When you just become thoughtlessly aware. And you will know your growth. And you will become doubtless about it. Alright? You can watch on my agya in the photograph, can become thoughtless. Thoughtless awareness is very important for the first to establish itself. Once you start establishing thoughtless awareness, the doubtless awareness comes. And then you are just settled down with yourself. Don't think of future or past or anything, you are with yourself. Alright? Real growth is natural and sahaj. This is not artificially growing, isn't it? In the same way, it's a living process of growth.
ये बोल रहे हैं कि जो environment में जो है करते हैं हम लोग गलती से, उसके लिए क्या करेंगे?
No, we should be careful. At least as far as we are concerned, we should be concerned about the nature, you see, and we should worry about it, no doubt. But as yogis, you will be amazed that environment clears. It clears out as such. And you won't be so much affected by environment, so much. It clears out environment also. There is one experiment Hamid has done. He's done it in Austria, where the many trees had become dwarfed and burnt away like with this acid rain that comes from the environment. So he went there and experimented with some vibrated water. But I mean, so many trees, he didn't know how to put vibrated water for them. It worked a little bit. So then, what he did, he took the badges you wear, you see, and pin them on every tree. not every tree, but every 10 trees. So he said that he went after 2 months and he found the whole thing had come up well, except for the trees which are above 60 years were not responding so. Otherwise, everything had become green. So you just can imagine what happens. He also experimented for growing more wheat, you see. So he couldn't put the vibrated water to the whole field because it's very difficult. There's a pipe going like this. So what he did, in the pipe he put the ring that he was wearing with my photograph. And he experimented with that, can you imagine? So it is very effective, but I think it's more your Shraddha in that photograph works out. But in India we get a kind of a dozer, we call it, like a funnel it is, and it has 2 sides in which you can fix the 2 sides of a pipe and you can put vibrated water in that. It's so remarkable that one of our fields had been put with raw cow dung by somebody, and all the small little, you can call them, all kinds of insects, they crawled up to the leaves and were eating them. So we put the dozer and put the vibrated water, they all run away. Vibrated water is very good. Tomorrow I am going to leave vibrated water in Angie's house, everything vibrated. But it depends also how you treat it. It's very important, with respect. Respect is very important in such. If you do not respect that vibrated water, it may not act because it thinks, vibrations can think, it loves and it thinks. Must understand this part, it thinks. And I've seen people who try to make some money out of me. They are absolutely in big trouble. I didn't give them any trouble myself. They are in big trouble. Anything they try to do to Sahaja Yoga, immediately they have some sort of trouble. I think these deities, you see, when my attention is not there, try to do something to them. So one should not in any way be disrespectful. And nobody should think that they have a special relationship with me. Some people think like that they have a special relationship with me. Such people will go off in Sahaja Yoga in no time. Nobody has special relations. I am alone. So this idea also that I have a special relationship with Mother, all these things can be very detrimental to your growth. Now you have in your houses, say, a little garden or even a tree or something is a good idea, and put vibrated water. Also you can drink vibrated water. Take little vibrated water and you can increase it in another bottle with other good water, but never put your hand into it. Just take out with a spoon which is kept separately for that. It's very important because everything has vibrations, bad and good.
कि हवन जो है बाधा को दूर करने के लिए होता है, पहला ऐसा करते थे कि प्ले वगैरह में जो है करते हैं कि बाधाओं को दूर करने के लिए और जो कारण होते हैं प्रॉब्लम को दूर करने के लिए क्या हवन करते हैं, तो क्या करें, तो बोले कर सकते हैं क्या इंडिया?
Yeah, Havan is very good. Apart from 3 candle treatment, you can do also an arti with the camphor. You can do Havanas, it's very good. But this is for the left-sided, not for the right-sided.
I feel that night is made better. May I know what's wrong with me?
बोल रहे हैं इनकी जिंदगी में ऐसा लगता है कि इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है इनकी जिंदगी का, तो ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Because you are not working for Sahaja Yoga. Your life is now for Sahaja Yoga. You dedicate it to Sahaja Yoga, that's why. Right? If you dedicate your life to all kinds of nonsensical things, then you think like that. But if you dedicate to Sahaja Yoga, then there's a meaning to it because now you have found out your identity. Alright?
जब किसी से मिलते हैं बाहर तो सहयोग के बारे में बताते हैं सबको। तो ये पूछ रहे हैं कि जो है कैसे जो है रियलाइजेशन दे सकें सड़क पे या स्टेशन पे, या कैसे बाहर रियलाइजेशन दे सकें लोगों को।
If you can do it, nothing like it. I've done it on stations and on the roads, today in the shop. But if you can do it properly, then you do it.
कैसे कर सकते हैं?
Huh?
बोले कैसे दे सकते हैं?
You see, while talking to people, they will find you are very peaceful, you are very quiet. Then they'll ask you, how are you so quiet? How are you so peaceful? And your face also shines. So then you should say about this. Especially if you are wearing my badge, then they'll ask, who is this? See, wearing a badge is a very good way of propagating Sahaja Bhava.
बोलते क्या कि ये फोटो जो है आपकी अपने ब्रीफकेस में रखते हैं अटैचे में हर समय, और लोगों को बोलते हैं कि जो है आप जो है पूछें शिमाजे से कि उन्हें आत्म साक्षात्कार दीजिए, रियलाइजेशन दीजिए, सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन।
No, you should put it here. Why? In the bag.
मेरी ऑस्ट्रेलिया में क्या किया लोगों ने, इनका नौकरी ऐसा है,
No, not in your job, but on the way while going somewhere. And on your table you can have it in your job. If they ask who is this, you say my mother. Finished. I look like Chinese as well as I look like everything. When I am in Russia, I look like Russians. When I am in Spain, I look like Spanish. So it's all right. I look like Chinese also. In China, many people thought I was Chinese. It's better to have photograph when you are traveling around. Also you are protected. People will ask, who is this? You should say. But for job, you can have it on the table, if you like.
बोल रहे हैं कि सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन जो है ऑन द स्पॉट दिया जाता है। क्या मती क्या होता है ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कि जब हम लोग सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन देते हैं तो बोलते हैं कि आपसे प्रार्थना करते हैं कि माता जी इस आदमी को जो है पार की, वो एकदम से पार होता है।
So you see, what is it? You should pray to me that Mother, please give him self-realization. Just finished.
इनकी पुरानी जिंदगी के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, इसकी कोई बेयरिंग है टू सहज योगी?
It has, to begin with. You see, you are conditioned by that. By your previous life, your karmas, you are conditioned in the beginning. But the whole thing drops out. Whole thing drops out. On the contrary, whatever good you were comes up. All bad things drop out. Supposing you were a seeker, you went to wrong people, did wrong things, doesn't matter. All will drop out. Your goodness will come out.
पूछ रहे हैं कि जब कार में जाते हैं काम करने तो आपके टेप सुनते हैं तो बीच में रोकना ठीक है क्या? बीच में जैसे पहुंच गए तो एकदम से रोक दिया?
It's all right. See, you must only ask for forgiveness, that's all. Respect is the thing. It's not like other tapes, huh? So you have to respect. Respect is the best way to grow in Sahaja Bhava. Respect. What is the news?
हिंदुस्तान में जो है जब लोग गए थे ना तो ऐसा खबर था कि जो सहयोगी हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड के महामाया द्वारा टेस्ट किए जाएंगे।
Mahamaya द्वारा?
टेस्ट किए जाएंगे कि कौन अच्छा सहयोगी है।
Who told you that? They just spread stories, like that. On the contrary, it's very different this year. I must give you a good news that two people came to me for their blessings. You see, one was known as Mr. Advani and his wife. They belong to the Bharatiya Janata Party, you see. And then the another Ba Thackeray is absolutely at my feet. So they both are now elected. And this horrible fellow, the Prime Minister, the Chief Minister who was there in Maharashtra, Sharad Pawar, one of the worst, he's resigned already. So, I mean, now in Maharashtra we have our own people. Not only that, but the same party has come in Gujarat. Moreover, I'm sure with this thing, they will also succeed in coming into Delhi. Then we'll have our own say. Rasajoga will have its own say because I've given realization to both of them. So there's no Mahamaya testing going on. They just try to frighten you, I mean, it's your stupidity sometimes that people don't realize and do things which they should not. I do not want to test anyone. Say you are under my protection fully. But if you want to go away from my protection, I can't help it. There are negativities all around. They catch you. So it's not my testing, but it's your own testing yourself. Daily people just want to frighten. They are very anxious that I should have my birthday in Delhi. All right. Now they are getting Session, you know Session? The fellow who was busy with the elections, he is going to come and speak for me. He met me in the train and he was very sweet and humble. He touched my feet and he said, Mother, please protect me. And now he is going to speak. So all such good people are coming up, so it's a nice idea. So Mahamaya is working in the other way around, I think. Getting good people, yeah.
You say that once you have done RAV, we have looked at our community from the outside. So I have looked into my community from the outside. We are basically South Indians.
Oh my. Let's take the better. Terrible people. I've been to Madras so many times, When I go there, the hall is full. After that, everybody disappears. When Mr. Murthy was there, he said, Mother, all the Buddhas are born here. I said, why? They do all kinds of funny rituals, you see. They'll take out the hair of women, put the water on them, they roll near. These Brahmins, terrible. They have befooled everyone there. They have befooled even the Brahmins. What to do? I am trying my level best. I want to go to Kerala also. We are trying. But last year I went there, I was very disappointed. And the Sahajogis also, some of them are very funny. Very funny. It's all right. I think gradually everywhere it will work out. But see, Punjab is growing so fast. They said you cannot control it so fast. They said this time Mother has to come to Punjab. Otherwise I will go to all Delhi. See, then in North India, you will be surprised, in place like Haryana, where people didn't know who was Dattatreya, even in UP nobody knew Dattatreya. Such Sahajogis. There were 35 gates they raised for me on the road when I went. Thousands and thousands and thousands. In Delhi itself there are 16,000 Sahajogis. I used to call Delhi as Billy and now that has happened. So you can't say it may be some turning point. Bengal, another place. I always have now my program in a stadium. First time I went there, in the hall there was only one person. And all were looking at one Tantrik who was beating himself like this. Now same Bengalis, you see, you ask them, they said, we are Dikshit. Dikshit means some guru has put something on their heads. All kinds. And when that was over now, gradually, you can imagine a complete stadium, full, in Calcutta. I'm surprised at Punjab also, how the Punjab has taken over. Last time when I went, of course, to Chandigarh, the whole hall was filled, at least 4 times bigger than this Lala Lajpat Hall. And surgeries has to go outside. And so many Sikhs came there. Yeah.
बोलने जब ध्यान करने जाते हैं तो इनका शरीर जो है अंदर से एकदम ड्राई हो जाता है. दूसरा सवाल कर रहे हैं.
What do you mean dry?
रोने लगते हैं.
You start crying.
Sorry.
It's all right. It happens. You'll be all right. You see, emotional things are there now within us. Many people who see me, first time they start crying. And I also cry with them. So this is love for mother. It's all right.
दूसरा सवाल पूछ रहे हैं. दूसरा सवाल बोल रहे हैं कि पता नहीं क्यों मेरे दिल में इच्छा होती है. उनके दिल में इच्छा होती है कि वो आपके पैर छुएं.
That is conditioning, that you want to touch my feet. My feet are everywhere, all right? The thing is, if you touch my feet, everybody will touch my feet. In the beginning I allowed, so my feet swell up like that, you know. And in Maharashtra, then the one gentleman, he said, a leader, that nobody should touch mother's feet, so they started beating him. Indians, unless until they touch my feet, they never feel satisfied. But you must have some mercy on my feet, you see, they have to do a lot of work. They get very swollen up. Okay.
बोल रहे हैं कि बाय बीइंग ए
हाँ?
वेजिटेरियन है ये,
हाँ.
तो ये कंडीशनिंग है क्या कोई?
No, vegetarianism is not a bad thing. It's not, and it's not something punyavan also. See, if you don't like, don't eat. If you like it, eat it. But you see, you shouldn't say that eating meat is a wrong thing, because the animals are made for us. Everybody used to eat. Sri Rama used to eat meat also, and also Sri Krishna. So, because they were Kshatriyas, you see, they were Kshatriyas. Are you a Brahmin? You are what, Kshatriya? Huh? Yeah.
No, you're Brahmin?
You are not a Brahmin.
No, Brahmin.
It's all right. I mean, if you don't like, it is, you see, whatever suits. Now for me, I will be surprised. I can't eat vegetarian food much. Immediately I get diarrhea. You know, the goddess has to have meat. Though I may like or not like, I have to eat it. What to do? That's my swabhava.
बोलते हैं कि मंत्र जो है वो सेक्रेट है, लेकिन अगर गलत प्रोनाउंस किया जाए तो वो योगी पे जो सहयोगी पे गलत इफेक्ट करते हैं क्या?
It won't have any effect bad on you, but you have to use my name with a mantra, you see, so that you are doing all right and nobody will trouble you, you see. But mantras, you don't say no wrong mantras normally. But if you are saying something wrongly, then better get it corrected. But my name should be there, otherwise nobody will listen to you. It's a recommendation.
इनके घर में श्री गणेश की मूर्ति है. बोले कि अभी मैं सहयोगी बन गया हूँ, उस मूर्ति को रखूँ या किसी को दे दूँ?
रखे रहिए, शौकिया रखिए उसको, क्या वो तो शोभा की चीज है, पर मूर्ति की पूजा मत करिए, क्योंकि अगर कोई मूर्ति सहयोगी नहीं बनाए तो ठीक है, शोभा के लिए में कोई डर नहीं. इसीलिए मूर्ति पूजा मना की बहुत लोगों ने, क्योंकि लोग मूर्ति बनाते थे और उसको बेचते थे, उसको पैसा कमाते थे मूर्ति पर. सो अगर कोई सहयोगी बनाए मूर्ति तो ठीक है, पर पूजनीय है तो नहीं होती अधिकतर. जो स्वयंभू है वो ठीक. हाँ, फिर रखे रहिए, क्या है, शोभा की चीज है, घर में आपके यहाँ गमले हैं, शमले हैं, वैसे वो भी होगा.